Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. I have a wonderful customer and a Toyota Sienna. Vehicle would not start, no matter what. So we put this key in right here, and as you can see, the car is not going to start. As you can see, it's not starting. It also, the battery died, and the vehicle shut off, causing the vehicle to be towed. Well, I have a fancy diagnostic machine that's going to be in the description of the video in our Mobile Mechanic recommended tools store in the description. What it is the immobilizer. The key is not being recognized. Thank goodness the customer actually had another key, which is the master key. And watch this magic. It's running like crap because it's been sitting around, but the car's running. You can see the RPM. I'm gonna rev it up for you. As you can see, let the professionals do their job. We have the machines and we'll save you a lot of time, a lot of money. No one ever thought it would be the key. With that being said, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. This is December 31st, 2024. This will be the very last video for this year, and a Happy New Year's.